messages. This is Sunil Ramakrishna. This is 1342 number part of the language power. So here one person asked the question basically. In last video basically we finished to this topic, that was 5 lakh buildings, 15 lakh liter oil which is going to produce. Assume that is produced basically, and the roadmap basically of that 5 lakh building basically. And like this basically the entire human needs basically which is used by the human basically, that is getting derived from the all the natural items basically. And all the natural items basically are dumped under the land basically. That is how many kilometers? 3 kilometers basically down basically. Sorry, 3000 kilometers down basically. And all the nuclear power data basically, that sorry not nuclear basically, these all are also nuclear basically. All natural items basically are dumped under the ground basically, under the 3000 kilometers basically, which is processed on the base of certain buildings basically, and that buildings basically are connected with the nuclear power plant basically, because this is the only option basically to create the natural items basically. And nuclear power plant basically are connected with the satellites. If by chance basically that nuclear power plant basically gets end, satellite data is already there basically, and Chinese basically groups are those group basically who say that basically we can create one city in one day basically. And Chinese group basically means Indo-China group basically. Sorry, Indo-Aryan group basically. They are basically connected with this Indo-Aryan group basically. That means certain level of group basically has created certain level of groups basically. We are not going up to deep basically, but this is basically the China fact basically. So next video.